Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Obsidian app for notes. Obsidian is one of the most popular note-taking applications available today because it combines simplicity with powerful organization features. Whether you're taking class notes, managing projects, keeping a personal journal, or building a knowledge base, Obsidian gives you a flexible system that grows with your needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable opening Obsidian, creating a note, writing content, adding headings, creating checklists, formatting text, and organizing your notes efficiently. Start by opening Obsidian. When the application loads, you'll see your workspace, often called a vault. A vault is simply a folder on your device that stores all of your notes. Since Obsidian uses Markdown files, your notes remain lightweight, portable, and easy to access outside the application if needed. If this is your first time using Obsidian, you may need to create a vault. Simply click Create New Vault, choose a name, select a location on your computer, and click Create. Once your vault opens, you're ready to start taking notes. To create a new note, click the New Note button in the sidebar. A blank page will appear in the editor. You can begin typing immediately. One of the great things about Obsidian is that it automatically saves your work as you type, so you never have to worry about manually saving changes. It's a good habit to give every note a clear title. A descriptive title makes searching and organizing much easier later. To create a heading within your note, type 2 hash symbols followed by a space and then your heading text. This creates a level 2 heading that helps structure your content and makes longer notes easier to read when reviewing your notes in the future. You can continue adding additional sections throughout your note using the same formatting method. Organizing information into sections improves readability and allows you to quickly locate specific details when reviewing your notes in the future. Now let's create a checklist. Place your cursor where you'd like to add a task item. You can either use the appropriate shortcut available in your setup or manually type a dash followed by a space and square brackets. This creates a checkbox that can be marked complete later. Checklists are extremely useful for meeting notes, project planning, daily tasks, shopping lists, and goal tracking. As your list grows, you can check off completed items to monitor your progress. This simple feature turns a basic note into a practical productivity tool. Next, let's look at text formatting. If you want to emphasize a word or phrase, place an asterisk before and after the text. Obsidian will format it as italic text. Italics are useful for highlighting important terms, adding emphasis, writing definitions, or making key ideas stand out without overwhelming the rest of your content. You can also combine multiple formatting options as you become more comfortable with Markdown. The beauty of Obsidian is that formatting remains simple while still giving you plenty of flexibility. Another useful feature is the search function. As your vault grows, finding information quickly becomes important. The search tool allows you to instantly locate notes, keywords, phrases, or topics across your entire vault, saving time and making your knowledge easier to access. You can also organize notes into folders. Creating folders for different subjects, projects, clients, or areas of life helps keep everything structured and easy to navigate. Many users combine folders with tags and links to create a highly organized note-taking system. One of Obsidian's most powerful features is note linking. By typing double square brackets around a note name, you can create connections between related notes. Over time, these links help build a network of connected ideas, making it easier to discover relationships between different topics and pieces of information. As you continue using Obsidian, consider developing a consistent structure for your notes. Clear titles, organized sections, checklists, and linked notes can make a huge difference when managing large amounts of information. And that's all you need to get started. Open Obsidian, create a new note, add clear headings, create checklists, format text with italics, and begin organizing your ideas. With these fundamentals, you'll be able to build a reliable note-taking system that stays useful as your collection of notes continues to grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.